Hey everybody, welcome back to Ontario Vintage Tractor. Again, my name is Rick. Today we're going to show you how to extract a broken bolt with nothing more than a MIG welder and a nut. Stay tuned. Okay, so on our WF here, when we were taking the floor pan off, as you can see right there, there's bolts that go down into the frame and they're threaded. We have a broken one on this side. And what we're going to do is weld a nut to that with the MIG welder, and the heat will penetrate through the broken bolt, providing you have a good enough welder, and you'll be able to just wheel that out as if it never broke. Alright, then you're going to want to let that cool before you try taking it out. Alright, that should be cool now. It's on its way out. We're going to have to do it one more time. So again, we'll let that cool. Alright, that's cooled off now. We'll try again. Looks like we're going to have to heat it up with a torch. That's it. No drilling required. All in one shot. Alright, so that's it on how to extract a broken bolt with a MIG welder. I hope you found it helpful or useful. And if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe down at the bottom. Have a great day.